We're talking with Andy Jorgensen today, president and owner of Innovative Capital. He's been in the mortgage lending industry for 24 years. Andy, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
This is obviously a new world, new marketplace for mortgage lending. People who are thinking about buying a house, they're saying, well, what do I need to do to kind of get my ducks in a row? Let's start there.
Okay. As far as looking out and going out to buy a new home and stuff, the first thing I would do is tell them to make sure that they sit down and actually get pre-approved for their loan. Interview a mortgage lender and talk, or a mortgage broker, banker, either way. Talk to them. Pick one that you're comfortable with. Usually most agents, top agents, work with a team, several good lenders. Interview them, make sure that they can get the job done for you.
There was a time where FHA and VA were, I don't know, like the ugly stepsisters. Nobody really considered them. Everybody went with, a conventional type of loan or something to that effect. Now FHA and VA are going to start taking a larger role. Am I right about that?
Absolutely. What we saw in the last 4 or 5 years in the industry was a lot of FHA, VA lookalike products. Basically, the FHASecure product is a product designed for customers with adjustable rate loans that are resetting. So it's a refinance program specifically. It's not necessarily a purchase program. It's to qualify for this program, customers need to meet one of 5 criteria. Number 1, they have to have a history of on-time mortgage payments before the reset of their interest rate. They have to have an adjustable rate mortgage that's resetting between June of 2005 and December of 2008. It does require that they have 3% equity in the house, so in other words, we'll only make them basically a 97% loan, refinance loan. They have to have a sustained history of employment and sufficient income to make their mortgage payment or qualify.
When does the program go into effect?
This program went into effect, I believe, September 5th.
Immediately?
Immediately.
Okay.
Right.
And I imagine they're doing this because they're seeing that we've got a lot more people who are going to get foreclosed on here because this is going to adjust again.
Correct.
And we want to see if we can stem this tide a little bit. Absolutely.
HUD's job is to promote homeownership across America, and one of the things they don't like to see is a rash of foreclosures, and this is when there's a lot of foreclosures in the neighborhood, it hurts the other homeowners that are in that neighborhood because their house that once was worth $150 may only be worth $100,000 now. So this program is going to be a good opportunity for people who maybe made a poor mortgage choice the first go around to fix that.
What steps should consumers be taking to be credit worthy?
There are a number of things. First of all, if you can get a free credit report annually from a credit provider, and you can go ahead and do that and request that. And I would certainly recommend all consumers look at the credit report at least once a year. If they have if they know there's things and they want to see where they're at and they're thinking about shopping, buying a home, absolutely go in to talk to your local mortgage professional. Do a credit consultation, have them pull your credit report. Credit reports are not that expensive, they're around $15, and you can take a look and go over your credit report with your mortgage lender.
Find more real estate videos at brokeriptv.com.